You're live.
Oh wait, I'm live?
No, I mean it's rolling. Jesus.
Today, you want to do level up your tech?
Nah.
Impromptu wise, we're at the Asus office in KL, and they just got their Ryzen laptop in. Basically still warm. I'm so honored to actually open this right now. So excuse me if I stumble a bit. So yeah, this is the GL702Z. Is a Ryzen laptop from Asus, and we are going to start unboxing this. ROG decided to put the bag in here as well. Ooh. The nice standard bag that they usually keep. Oh my god, that is beautiful. This is the ROG Gaming Notebook GL702Z. I'm just gonna admire this for a bit, I'm sorry. It actually smells brand new. It has that smell, I'm sorry. You know what, let me actually just double check the box to make sure there's nothing else in here. That's standard manuals. For once, I will not toss them to the side. Point adapter plug. Oh, yeah, that's always a problem, isn't it? Oh boy.
That's what she said.
Ryzen 7. I'm sorry if I'm smirking. It's a Ryzen 7 laptop.
And here we can see the fanboy Jeremy and his.
I'm sorry, Ryzen 7 laptop. I've been bugging people for a proper AMD system. And everyone keeps saying we're not bringing it in. Come, let's PUBG on this. Can it PUBG?
Can it play Crisis in 4K?
Probably. Another question, will it melt? They did the speakers even. It's on the side here.
Yeah.
Little ports. Full back venting, USB lock. Still has an SD card reader. Type C, another USB, combo jack, display port, HDMI, RJ45, the power. All right, let's turn this thing on.
We see lights.
Yep, there we go.
There we go.
So this is one of the first laptops to have a Ryzen system in it, a proper one. It's a Ryzen 7.
Oh Jesus, that's fast.
SSD. So in here we have a Asus GL702ZC x64 base PC, AMD Ryzen 7 1700 8-core processor, 3 megahertz, 8-core 16 logical processors. This can turbo to 3.7.
Ooh. 8
gigs of RAM installed. I'm sure this goes up to 32. So there should be 2 slots. The display is powered by an RX 580. It's a little bit old, but that's still a very good GPU. It is a 1920 by 1080 screen, 60 hertz IPS panel. And judging by the brightness and the viewing angles, it is actually quite nice.
So you're saying basically this is like the first 8-core laptop really to hit the market. First proper 8-core.
Proper affordable one?
Yeah.
That actually makes sense, yeah. This thing, while not probably for gaming specific, but for video rendering, I would put my money into this than over a normal system because it would actually make sense. And you can still game on it technically. So touchpad's pretty good. It's clicky. You can click all the way to the top. 2 side speakers. Keyboard is your standard keyboard, but it's good. It feels nice. It lights up. It's not super bright or evident in this type of lighting system, but when you're in a darker situation, you should light up no problem. You can easily type on it. But yeah, 8 CPU cores. Imagine rendering all the footage we normally do in like literally what, 4 times faster on a laptop than our desktop. I am happy to have unboxed this at Asus's office. Thank you again for the opportunity to be the first one. I'm just going to leave my fingerprints all over this touchpad. Anyways, ciao guys. If you like this type of video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. You can check out our Facebook page, Instagram, Twitter, or check out the level.my.